You just got to.
Start again. Dropping it in.
What can you expect to see on this channel?
Hey everyone.
Welcome. There's going to be hundreds, thousands of photo and video tutorials. The Heron. Tons of behind the scenes. What is happening? A sprinkle of comedy. A pig or two. We're going to do the business. It can get pretty intense.
Twenty 2020 really wasn't the year we wanted, but it was the year we got. We started our YouTube expecting something entirely different, but what we got was arguably even better.
We pushed our creative limits, came up with idea after idea, entered competitions, and won.
We won the GoPro Home Pro!
Nothing could have saved us from such a terrible year like this channel could.
And it's genuinely all thanks to you. Our family and friends from around the world, we thank you so much for being here with us in 2020.
Here's the 2021.
Hey everyone, it's Alan Bart here from Trio Stories. Welcome back to the channel.
I have a camera. Do you know what I do? I make videos.
Oh, unbelievable, Jack. We've actually bought a smoke machine for this.
I kind of notorious for having issues.
There you are.
Quarantine props. Oh no. Hey guys, it's Alan Bart.
It's Alan Bart.
Hello everybody.
Welcome. It's Alan Bart here from Trio Stories. We're back with another video to your screens.
Bob on.